Okay, so here we have Muramasa Rebirth Blessing of Amitabha Collector's Edition. Oh yes, you can see the front axis right there, the company, top. Come on, focus. Focus. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come. What is wrong with you? Why won't you focus? Okay, that's as good as we're gonna get. And then we have the side. Why won't you focus? Okay. And then we have the bottom. Then we have the other side. Then the part that has the information, the back. Let's read the main part. Countless demon blades are strewn across the world. Once one of the blades is drawn from the sheath, they immediately begin thirsting for blood. We have the collector's edition right here. This edition includes system face cover with Muramasa logo, skin with Muramasa theme, velvet pouch, special design lithograph, and a bridge soundtrack. Okay, let's get to it. Oh, bent the top a little. That's okay. Lay that over there. Okay, let's see. The abridged soundtrack. This is not for sale. It's only available through this package. We'll get to this part last. Here we have the, let's see what they called it. The face cover with Muramasa logo. The Vita. Oh, not sure how this works. Oh, okay, so that's actually the back. Yep, okay, totally had that wrong. It goes in just like this to keep it safe, and then clamps on. And, you know, there we go. Still have access to certain things, but it does keep the face cover, the logo, keeping it safe. Then to pop it out, you can just push on the back part right out there. There we go. There you have it. Muramasa face cover. This is the velvet pouch with their logo. I'm assuming you put on the face cover and then put it in there because there is a lot of extra room. But on the inside it's very soft, on the outside it's soft. The inside's not actually soft. That was surprising. I just assumed it would be. It's I don't know, like some kind of that backpack material that some backpacks are made of. Okay, what should we get to next? Guess we'll go here. Flip this over. Here we have, with our super intricate Japanese directions. Oh. Or in English, just peel me. What would this happen to be? This would happen to be the skin with the Muramasa theme. Just like cover it like this so that we can see it. Pretty cool. I may or may not put this on my Vita. Like, I don't want it to permanently be on there, but we'll see. What? Is this part supposed to be... Did this part not come covered? It's supposed to be like some of the sticks part that goes on with the Vita? Okay. That's weird. That's not what's supposed to happen. I don't think. I'll put that on. I'll put it on the video. Whatever. Here we have the specially designed lithograph. Very cool. I mean, this is actually in an envelope, like a real sealable one. So, I mean, you could lay it right there and send it to a friend. I wouldn't do that. Like, I don't know. I want the gift. Here we have the actual case. The front, side, bottom, side with actual stuff on it. The back, and the vibrant, action-packed world of Muramasa become the possessed princess, Momofime, or the fugitive ninja, Kisuke, as you forge and collect the powerful demon blades to tear down the enemies. Fun stuff. If you have a history of epilepsy, seizures, consult a doctor before use. Okay, in the English ones, we never get stuff here. But there you have it. A card. Okay. Let's put this on. I guess we'll just use the velvet thing and we'll wipe this off. Peeling. Okay. And gently, delicately, not when you tear it, as that would be very dumb, very sucky. Peeling. Okay, that part I am not getting. Oh, okay. Yeah, I do get it. Let's get the Vita. Mm. There we go. Just kidding, of course it's not going to stick. It is suction sealed, like it sticks same way that iPhone covers the clear part does. I need to like put something on this to hold it down for an hour or so. So it actually sticks. There we go. We do have a bubble in there, but you can always force it out. There we go. Muramasa Rebirth.